Hi everyone, welcome to Python Bootcamp Week 3. So this week I'm not going to introduce concepts. I want to briefly to report the things I was doing. So this week I've been doing for these certain hours. I've been doing a lot of the coding for a lot of hours. And hence my eyes has a little bit problems. A lot of people might remember I always wear sunglasses, not because I'm trying to be cool. Well, it's kind of. I was protecting my eyes, and however, but do take care of your health. Because like at the end of the day, if you can't survive until the really last end, you would not enjoy the benefits and fruits from what you were doing, the effort you put into. So just keep coding, yeah. And then I would like to briefly introduce you my progress. At the moment, I think I made some progress in Python programming, but I'm still not able to write really good function. Like the project one I've been doing, web scraping, I do feel like I can do that. I can following the assignments and the notebooks provided by Jovian. However, I still feel like being able to create a project from me, like from the scratch. Literally, I design a project, and then I can, when I have a problem, when I have a questions, I can solve it by my own. I found it difficult, so I was able to feel confident, like, oh, I'm going out to take freelancing jobs. So the kind of the things is an indicator to show me I should work harder than I thought and just keep practicing. And for statistics, I personally feel it's really heavy, and it's not something you learn, you can implement immediately. It's something gradually happening. So don't be discouraged by concepts, because statistics just not it's some subject you should always know the basic, and then you keep practicing. You must concept as you go, not like you can learn in classroom. So I keep encouraging myself to just keep learning, and then don't be afraid of asking questions. And also doing the project review on last Saturday, I saw people ask questions about what's the best way to learn notebook. I think there's no best way. The best way, just do it. Because whenever you are thinking there must be a better way, you just do it, and just do it. It's just Nike thing. And when you do a lot, you make mistakes, you have a problem, you have suffering from the unknown problems, and you're trying to figure out a solution, you ask questions. That is something called growth. You grow as you solve more problems. The more problems you can solve, the more values you are increasing. And keep moving is the key. So as I said last time, when I saw people keep talking about, oh, should I do this, should I do that? But the problem is not the ideas. The problem is not the problem self. His problem is if you stop, that's the problem. And everything's a build. You need to be patient. I think I'm really patient with myself, but of course I do spend a lot of time to think about how can I do better. But everything is a build. You need to build your skills, build your project, build your schedule, build your time for that. Yeah. And a problem only exists if there is between what is actual happening and what you design to be happening. So, mate, I encouraging you to think about, we are learning data science skills, we are learning data analysis. I'm really excited to see the actual role happening recently. And I do find myself sometimes, not sometimes, before I complain a lot. Today I just have a call with Akash, our mentor from Jovian. He's brilliant. I love to talk to him about the problems. But when you just bear in mind, you shouldn't comply something. When I say complying, because complying, there's no solution to complying, which means, oh, this is so difficult, I don't know how to learn. Oh, this is so hard, I don't know how to learn. No, yes, it is hard. You give some time, put your hours into practice, you will get there. I mean, so far I've been 1 month, I can see the benefits, but yes, there's a still problem. The function, I still could not write a better function with Python, and I still have a lot of troubles. Maybe this certain thing, I don't know, I don't understand. Like today I was figuring out standard deviation, how to use it, how to understand this concept, the language. So yeah, I mean, I will still continue to post videos to report how well I'm doing. I would love to see you in 16 weeks later. I still got loads of videos I need to do, but to be honest, even doing the videos is such an enjoyment thing to me, because I can editing, thinking about what can I show you. Like actually, I'm not just making these slides. When I go through those, like for example, when I go through any notebooks, I'm not just doing it in notebook. I'm thinking, how do I present that kind of really good presentation, and my thinking, because I'm creating something, so I'm really enjoying the whole process, and I would love to come to see you again in a certain weeks. I'm really excited. What can I achieve? What projects I can show to the world? See you